Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the business side of hair and wigs. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back. We are talking about the business side of hair and wigs today. I want to stress this part for you as a creative individual, that there is a business side. Do we like it? Probably not. We're creatives. We like to use our hands. We like to get dirty. I mean, I know people who don't even like to fill out their time cards to get paid because they want to just be creative. They just want to do hair. But there is the whole other side of the business, which is wigs and hair. We have to know what we're doing, what we're charging, how we're getting paid, where we're getting paid from, and how we're gonna keep track of everything. So in the business of wigs, you have to be breaking down everything that you have, from products that you use to your kit rental to the new scissors you just got. You need to factor in all of this when you're doing your pricing. So make sure you keep track of everything. Yes, it is a write-off. I am not a tax person, so don't take my word for everything, but you can do a lot of this for tax purposes. If you work out of your home, if you work out of your salon, you really need to have everything chronologically for the year as well. And break it down. I've talked about it before. Make sure you break down so you even know how much it is that you're paying for. If a service costs X amount of dollars, you're gonna have to know how much you're actually putting out of your pocket. Because if you're going to be using $1.50 worth of bleach and 50 cents worth of developer, you're gonna wanna know that and put it into your price because you're already not making that back. So as we do the retail, wholesale, and what we get it for. So remember, you have to do your markups. Marking up is a great way to make back your money, first and foremost. And then the better you are at your service that you're providing is the more you can actually charge them. So make sure when you're working on not just the creative end that you have your plan for your business. Are you paying your taxes? Are you buying the supplies at the best cost possible? Are you negotiating your prices with your manufacturers? Are you getting the hair from an ethically sourced place? This all can factor into your business and setting you apart in the industry. Having sourcing the hair from a beautiful client compared to, factory farming it and just getting any old hair. Knowing where it comes from, knowing that one donor is donating the hair, and hopefully you're paying a great price for it, because if you're selling it for a great price, you need to trickle it down. And to be honest, what you put out, you get back. So you put out shitty stuff, you're gonna get back shitty stuff too. So just keep in mind, it is a business in the end. So doing business the best way, where you want to enhance someone's life, that will come back to you like hopefully 12 or 13 times fold. But make sure it's good, guys. I mean, I know we get rushed, and being creatives, we don't want to be like, oh, I feel bad, or no, you spent time on your education. I did not go to school to be giving out free haircuts to friends and family. I don't care. Nope, not at all. Hopefully they know, they respect you a little bit more, that they will not be asking you every time for a haircut. It is a touchy subject, but make sure you have these conversations. If you're spending X amount on products, if they want a root touch up, make sure they pay for it, because you don't want to be out just because you're doing something nice for them. You're already doing something nice for them because you're giving them your services. So make sure you pay for it, or triple someone else's if you want to give a discount. But just remember, this is the business. Yes, it's creative. Yes, we create amazing works of art on people's heads, and everyone's head is literally our walking billboard. And remember that as you're going into your business and you want to scale your business, you're going to need to know the bare minimum costs. From rent has to be figured into every haircut that you do. Your car has to be scheduled into everything that you do to get back and forth from work. Your kit, your everything has to be figured in so that you know what you're actually making. Because we're not doing this, I'm not in the business of doing hair for free, first and foremost. I don't need photos for my portfolio. I'm doing this so I can make a living, so that I can help people and make them feel the best that they can. Hopefully they're watching a show and they're gonna get a little lost and the stresses of their day are no longer there. So make sure you focus on what is good for you, and that makes sure that your business model actually works for you. Are you doing the social media that needs to be done to keep your business running? Are you bringing in new clients? Are you asking for referrals? What are you doing to bring in new clients so that you can have an amazing business where you love waking up every day, that you can really just thrive in your own creativity? And of course, having that business end. So setting aside 1 to 2 hours a week, guys, it's really not that much time, to literally go through all your receipts, all your batching numbers, making sure if there's any returns that happened, or even if someone has bought the product twice, you want to just be on top of that and let them know, hey, did you want to buy this twice? They will appreciate you more for being open and honest and being transparent. And be transparent with everyone that sits in your chair, especially now that we do have a rise of COVID and we have to provide, PPE. We do have to put that in accountable for our pricing, right? So you're going to have these conversations. They're hard conversations. I know, it's just like that time you broke up with your boyfriend or girlfriend. It's so tough to have these conversations with them because you've been doing their hair for so long, but you need to have them. The more often you have these conversations, the better it will be. A great way to start your conversations is to let them know that you want them to have the best hair that they possibly can. That is your number one concern, is them. That is it. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you've learned something. Make sure you subscribe. Click one of the buttons, and also watch this next video. I think you're going to love it because I made it. Why not? You're gonna love it. Till next time.